Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F90 error code on your Kenmore oven from the 2025 line, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it's happening, and how you can fix it yourself. Let's get started. First off, the F90 error code typically signals a problem with the oven's door lock mechanism. This is common in Kenmore models like yours from 2025, and it often pops up when the oven thinks the door isn't locking properly during a self-clean cycle or when it's supposed to be sealed. Don't panic. This isn't always a major issue, but it can prevent your oven from functioning until it's resolved. So, what causes this? The most common culprits include a faulty door lock assembly, which might be worn out from regular use, or issues with the wiring connected to the lock sensor. Sometimes, it's as simple as food residue or debris blocking the lock, especially if you've been baking up a storm lately. In rarer cases, it could point to a problem with the control board, but let's not jump to that yet. Now, let's troubleshoot step by step. Start by unplugging your oven from the power source for at least 30 seconds. This is a quick reset that fixes minor glitches. Once it's back on, check if the error clears. If not, inspect the door lock area. Open the door and look for any obstructions like crumbs or spills. Clean it thoroughly with a soft cloth and a mild detergent. Next, try running a manual test cycle. Set your oven to self-clean mode and see if the door locks properly. If it doesn't, you might need to manually unlock it by pressing and holding the lock button for a few seconds. Still no luck? It's time to grab a multimeter and check the wiring for continuity. If you're not comfortable with that, call in a professional to avoid any electrical risks. To prevent this error in the future, always keep your oven clean, especially around the door seals, and avoid overloading it during cycles. Regular maintenance can save you a lot of headaches. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling the F90 error on your Kenmore oven. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.